Buju Banton, born Mark Anthony Myrie on the 15th of July 1973, is a Jamaican dancehall reggae musician. He has collaborated with a variety of international artists including Busta Rhymes, Fat Joe, Trey Songz, Rancid, and Bob Marley's son Steve Marley and Damian Marley. Much of his music deals with spirituality and socio-political issues, as well as love and life itself. Banton released a number of dancehall singles as early as 1987 and came to prominence in 1992 with two albums, Stamina Daddy and Mr. Mention, which became the best-selling album in Jamaican history upon its release. He signed with major label Mercury Records and released Voice of Jamaica the following year. By the mid-1990s, Banton's music became more influenced by his Rastafari faith, as heard on the seminal albums Till Shiloh and Inner Heights. In 2009, he was arrested on drug-related charges in the United States, and his first trial resulted in a hung jury. His 2010 album, Before the Dawn, won Best Reggae Album at the 53rd Annual Grammy Awards.
And the Grammy goes to Before the Dawn, Buju Banton.
In February 2011, he was convicted on the same drug charge after a controversial second trial that was tainted by jury misconduct. He waived his right to an appeal and has since been incarcerated. He is scheduled to be released and return home to Jamaica on December 8, 2018. Buju is being held at the Macrae Correctional Facility in Georgia, USA.